So good afternoon once again, my fellow fish keepers. So now I saw something very cool and an unexpected breeding of my betta fishes. So I will just show you what happened on the tank which I provided them with plants and food. So they accidentally bred, and I am happy now with the outcome of those fishes. So I didn't really expected that breeding. So I am really excited and I am really happy. So please watch this and then I will show you what happened to the tank. So remember guys, this is the tank on my previous videos, and I fill it with live floating plants. But there is some fishes here like that one, agape, and some betta fish. So as you can see, I left them like that. I didn't expected that there is a male and female betta fish there, because I put almost guppy fishes only here, and upon feeding them, I was shocked with unexpected little ones. So those are the adult, and as you can see, that one, the small one, maybe 2 weeks old or 3 weeks old betta fish. So that one also, the smaller ones, and they are plenty now. This is very unexpected to see. So that one also that one. As you can see, there are guppy fish here. They could have eaten alive these fishes, this juvenile size of fish, or even if they are still egg and didn't hatch, the guppy fish could have eat all those eggs. But luckily, they are now bigger. They are growing bigger now. So it means the parents of these betta fish are taking good care of them, even though this is like a community tank now with plenty of guppy fish. As you can see, there are guppy fish there. The red one is the guppy fish. This one is a mosaic guppy fish also, female guppy fish. And as you can see, those are new betta fishes, 2 or 3 weeks old. I didn't know exactly their age because they are bred and spawned accidentally. Look at this, the smaller ones. This one is a new betta fish, that one also. They are plenty under these plants, so I'm really happy now. Even though I didn't took too much effort, I just feed them every day. I didn't expected this, that under these floating plants they spawn, they bred. So that one, as you can see, they are plenty now hanging around. Those little ones are the betta fishes that I'm telling you, with these guppy fishes. And so there you have it, the unexpected breeding of my betta fishes together with some guppy on their community tank. So as for me, I really didn't expect that will happen
And
because
janitor fish.
and janitor fish, because as you know, the behaviors of the betta fishes together with some molly. So
And she's daddy.
I'm really shocked and amazed that the Jubies survive those community tanks. So I will update you on what will happen to those betta fishes. Thank you so much.